Hi. I have a box in my head. I mean on my head. You want to see the making? If it'll, I can't see.
You got fluff on your butt.
Do I really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's the hair. But I'm making a mold, and it's really.
Feel it. I don't want to.
Feel it.
I don't
Feel
want
it.
to.
It's awesome.
Okay, I help it.
So yeah, it has to stay in here for about 15 minutes. Hey everybody! It's me. That was Anna, obviously. Oh yeah, sorry. Wearing my Jeff the Killer T-shirt that I made. So yeah, we're gonna be making and hosting.
Oh god.
It's coming. We're gonna be making and hosting videos for you guys tonight. So I hope you enjoy because I know I am. It's coming. It's giving birth, and we gave birth to a hand. That will leave us off for the tonight.